Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos and notifications. You can contact us for online SAP trainings and certifications. Thank you. Hello friends, in this video I will share with you how you can apply for SAP S4 HANA Finance certification, how you can book your exam through SAP website. Let's find out. First of all, we need to go to the website, and the name of this website is training.sap.com. Once you will come on this website, you need to select your country. So here I am going to select the country. For example, it is United States of America, and it will start showing you the flag for that particular country on the right side at the top. Now, the next thing is we need to go for the product ID. Here on this welcome page, you have been given a search option. In this search option, you need to go for the product ID. It is CER 006. CER means certification and 6 means 6 attempts you will have. SAP will give you 6 attempts, 3 attempts for the same topic in addition, and remaining 3 you can use for some other certifications. So here we will select this product. It is SAP certification in cloud 6 attempt. We'll click on this. You need to scroll down. This is the information which SAP will give you regarding this cloud certification. And here you will find there is an option to add this product to your basket. Book this product to consume within the certification hub. And this is the amount based on the country you have selected. And here we can click on the add to basket. On the left side, you will also have some important links like FAQs related to the overview. Then FAQs we have for the exam process and post-exam process. So you can also go through these links. Now I'm going to click on the add to basket. I'm going to add this product to my basket and then click on the proceed to basket. Once again, it will give you the information about the cloud certification start date, and then we can click on the proceed to basket. We can now again scroll down. It will give you here a option of campaign code. What is a campaign code? If you have been given any discount code by the SAP, you have any promotional code, so that promotional or that discount code you can use here in this campaign code field. If you don't have any, then keep this field blank, and then you need to click on the button proceed to checkout. After this, system is going to ask you your email ID, which should be registered on this website. And if you don't have any email ID which you have registered on this website, then you need to click on the register button. When you click on the register button, it is going to ask you your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, and also you can create your password. Then you need to select this checkbox. Here you need to select this terms and condition checkbox and click on the register button. When you click on the register button, you will get a mail from SAP, and in that mail you will find a activation link. You need to click on that link. After that activation, you will be able to log on this website. So here I have already registered. I'm going to close this window and I will click on the log on option. Here we can give the email ID after getting it activated, and then we can give the password. Now we can go down, and here we can click on the button proceed to checkout. It is saying that you have successfully logged on and your product left in the basket from your previous visit are now merged. Please check your basket and remove the unwanted product. Go down. Here you can review your detail, your first name, last name. Here you will also find a option that you can go for the company sponsorship or self sponsorship. So where you will find this option, click on the edit option, go down, click on the create address data. Then you will have a option. It would be a self sponsorship or it is a company sponsorship. If it is a certification sponsored by the company, in that case, you need to give the name of your company, then the customer number, VAT number, phone number, your phone number, and on the right side, you can have the billing address of your company, and then you can click on the save option. If it is a self-sponsored, in that case, you can select this radio button. I'm self-sponsored. It is not, this certification is not sponsored by any company. In that case, system will grade out these fields like the company name, customer number, VAT. So these are not required. Here you can give your number. Then on your right side, you can give your billing address and then you can click on the save option. Once your this information is saved, then you can go for the review of this information and after that you can go for the payment. We can review that information, click on the continue button. Here it is going to show you your first name, last name, and your email ID, phone number. Last time you can review this information and still need some changes. So again, you can go to the edit and you can make the changes. Once this is done, then you can go for the payment review. Information for your credit card and then click on the submit button. After that, system will also give you some terms and condition, and for those terms and condition, you need to select those check boxes and then click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, your application will be submitted. Regarding this, you will get a mail from the SAP and the information will be given that you have applied for the certification and this is the amount and this is the order from, then attendee is this, the payment has been made through which mode, if it is a credit card or some other mode has been selected. So this is the information, you will have it. Once you will receive this mail, after 2 to 3 days from this mail, your account will be upgraded and you will be able to book the exam, your SID, PID. So regarding that, you will again get a mail from the SAP. I'll just show you that mail. In this training confirmation, your reference ETPT number would be there, and here it will also have a PDF file through which you will be able to log in and you will be able to book your exam. After this email ID, your account has been upgraded and you will be able to book the exam. Now, how to book the exam? Let's find out. So I'm going to click on the home page. So on the right side, you will see there are 3 bars. You need to click on this 3 bar and it will give you the option. Here we have the home certification. Now you need to click on the option access purchased subscriptions. Click on this. It will show you 2 types of access. We have first access for the SAP Learning Hub and this access is given for first 15 days. After it, it will get expired. Here it will also show you the start date and date of that access. Then the second access would be access for the cloud certification. Through this cloud certification, you will be able to book the exam and this access is given for 12 months, 1 year. It is valid for 1 year. Now I'm going to click on the cloud certification, access SAP cloud certification, and we'll find out how to book the exam. When you come to this page, it will give you a video and you can just go through this video provided by the SAP. And the next thing you can do, you can change your time zone if it is not correct. How you will be able to find out your correct time zone? So you can just see here the date and next to this there is the time zone. We can click on this option exam dashboard In this, it is going to show you your online exam subscriptions, and it will show you the booking ID, start date, end date, number of attempts, and here there is the option schedule the exam. Now I am going to schedule an exam, and for this click on this option. It will show you a list of exam. We need to find out the relevant one. If you want to go for SAP S/4HANA Finance certification, so this is a complete code we have. It is C underscore T S4FI underscore 1709 if you want to go for the certification of S/4HANA 1709 edition. If you want to go for 1809 or 1909, so you can go for it. We'll click on this link, and on the right side it will give you the option you can schedule an appointment. You can schedule a new appointment. Click on the schedule new appointment. You need to select here the date. Let's have here the date. I'm going to select any random date. Let's say it is 31st of May. Now you can see system has given you this time slot. You can select your suitable time slot. Let's say it is 7 a.m. and then click on the save appointment. With this, your appointment will be saved. Regarding this, you will also get a confirmation mail from SAP, and it will also start showing you in the exam dashboard, where I'll just show you. You can see here it will start showing you a clock sign. It means that your exam has been scheduled. Now you can go at the top. You can just see here there is an option exam appointments. You can click on this and you will be able to see your exam appointment. Here you can see exam title S/4HANA 1909, booking code, and this is the date and this is the time. You can also see there is a start exam, but we can't see any information here. Once your exam will get started, before the 15 minutes of your exam, this here it will start showing you a link. If you click on this link, then it will take you to the examination, online examination, where proctor will come. He will check your ID proof and he will also check your surrounding. Due to any reason, if you want to cancel the exam, then here you can see there is a delete option. Here we have a option of cancel appointment. We have a icon of cancel appointment. We can click on this cancel appointment. It is saying that do you want to cancel? Yes. Click on the yes option. And here also it will show you your previously online exam appointment, and it will also get included in that. Here you can just see (31st of May 2020). So this exam has been cancelled. We can see here the status. Now it will also give you the information that exam has been cancelled successfully, and you will be able to see in the list. You will at any given point of time, if you will have any doubt or you get stuck somewhere, then you can see here we have a chat option. We can click on this and we can chat with an expert. So that expert is going to help you to get the issue fixed or to resolve your query. So you need to give your first name, last name, email ID, subject related to which you want to talk to him, and then click on the start chatting. So your chatting will get started. In this video, we have learned how we can apply for S/4HANA Finance certification and we can book our exam. In my next video, we'll come up with some new topics. Till then, thank you and best of luck for your exam.
Thanks for watching this video. You can like, comment, share, also email us for more details. Thank you.